at the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco, where Samsung just unveiled a whole bunch of phones, including the S10. But the news that's caught everyone's attention is a phone that doesn't come out until April. It's called the Galaxy Fold. Samsung is bringing back the flip phone. The Galaxy Fold is a 4.6-inch phone that opens up like a book to reveal a 7.3-inch tablet. It reminds me of the folding tablet on HBO's Westworld. The idea is you get both a phone that's small enough to slide easily into a pocket and a big surface to watch video or do work. Beyond those two screens, the Fold has 500 gigabytes of storage and a whopping 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. But hold on to your hats, this smartphone costs more than most computers, $1,980. This thing is undoubtedly a technological feat, but as a product, there's plenty of skepticism that it's a gimmick. Samsung did not have any Galaxy Fold phones for journalists like me to put our hands on today. But I did get a chance to catch up with Justin Dennison, the Samsung executive who showed off the Fold on stage.
This is one of those moments where we have unlocked a new way to interact with your device. The technology's ready. People have not seen it, so of course they're going to be surprised. It's a shocking, stunning piece of technology. The first time you fold it, I assure you, it's like you take a double take.
What does it do other than fold? There's no stylus, but you can start interacting with apps on the front and continue on the inside. And on the big screen, you can mega multitask.
Now is the first time you can use 3-app multitasking on a smartphone. You can't even do this on a tablet today. This is a brand new type of feature.
But even Samsung says the Fold is a work in progress.
We don't actually know how people are going to use this device. They're going to surprise us. It is an innovation platform, and the foldable display is a totally new way to interact with your device. So it'll be interesting to see where it goes, and we'll see.
Samsung says it has been working on the bendable screen tech for years and finally got it to a point where it could open and close hundreds of thousands of times without breaking.
So we invented a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the Galaxy Fold smoothly and naturally.
But does it have that satisfying flip phone snap when it closes?
I'm not sure I can do the sound justice, but there is a very satisfying click, sort of a soft closure sound, let's say.
And what about that price? At nearly $2,000, it may be the most expensive smartphone ever that doesn't contain diamonds.
This is for a consumer that really wants the best of all worlds. We talked about this being a luxury device, so there is a segment of the industry and a segment of consumers that really want luxury technology. They want technology that is unique and they can personalize and they can use to fit their life.
So, is the folding phone a gimmick or the future? Let me know your views in the comments. I can't wait to get my hands on one come April.